tips and polygel nails removal and review of the new Kiara Sky Portable Beyond Pro Nail Drill coming up. Let's do the unpacking. So I have Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Portable Nail Drill and I'm going to open it with you together. Alright, here we have a warranty card, instructions, and yay, the drill itself. It's white, and you know guys, honestly this is my favorite color, well, after clear. Oh my god, it's so cute. You have Kiara Sky logo here. I guess we can see the speed right here. Let's see the handpiece. Ooh, all the wires, they're also like really white. Everything looks so clean. I already love how it looks. Oh, okay, so they have a key here, and this is, ooh, I guess this is for the, yeah, I guess this is for the drill, so it can stand like that on the table. Then we have another handle for the handpiece. All right, and we have, I guess this is the charger. Yeah, so I cannot wait to try it, so let's see how it works. Wow, it is not really noisy. So the maximum speed is 35k rotation per minute, and we also can see the battery indicator here, so you will know when it will be finished. We have forward and reverse mode here, and to turn it on you simply need to rotate the speed, and this is how it will be on. You will also feel and hear the click, so this is how you can tell. To turn it off, simply bring the speed down to 0. I like this silicone holder because such a small machines, they easily fall down, and we do not want that. That's not everything. Just take a look at this bit. Well, you know, just a normal bit with Kiara Sky logo. Now watch this. Oh my god, we have a diamond. Well, maybe not a diamond, a crystal, but still, that's so cute. Have you ever seen drill bits with the diamond in it? And there's another one. Oh my god, that's truly beyond cuteness. Let's try it. So we have some nails. Some of them were made with full-size mocar tips, and these two are new. They're made from Happy Gel by Nailcou because I was doing a demo. So this nail is doing pretty bad, as you can see, and this is my fault. I should have done this infill earlier to this model. So first I will clip off the link that we have. And by the way, if you're curious what are these mocar tips and why I don't really like them, I have a review and a follow-up of them. I will leave the link down below in the description box so you can watch it. I was really curious on how this diamond will look once you turn it on, and as you can see, as it spins, you can't really tell that there is a crystal in the middle. So I thought if it doesn't look pretty as it spins, I'm not going to use it at the moment, because also that's not my favorite shape anyway. So I decided to pick this one, cone-shaped carbide bit. I turn it up to 22k RPMs, and now let's remove the product. Normally you can soak off these tips, but we have a gel on the top, and also we would like to try the nail drill, right? That's why we'll be filing it off. For small portable nail drill, I have to say it feels pretty powerful, and also it is not too noisy. I also really like that it's rechargeable because you don't have to deal with all these wires. You simply charge it and then you can work with it almost the whole day. The handpiece is not extremely light, but it is also not too heavy at the same time, so for me it is actually a very comfortable weight. You can actually feel that you have something in your hand. Looks like we have some lifting here, so let's carefully file it off, and yay, now it's flying off. Looks like a ghost or something. Now let's file off the nail that's actually falling off, and she also had to use glue to keep it there. So that's why I'm holding it like this at the moment, because it's moving. The only place where this product is not lifted yet is on the free edge. That's why I'm holding it very tight so I can carefully file off this part, and then we can just take it off. Using glue on natural nails is not a good thing, because this is how you can block the moisture as well as product lifting, and it may cause greenies. But sometimes, if for example a client broke a nail and it was very painful, sometimes it can be helpful. But once you glue the nails, you need to understand that you need to keep it like 3 days max, 2 to 3 days, and then you need to go to your nail tech or sock them off, because if you will keep having nails that are glued to your natural nails, this will definitely damage them. In this particular case, this client, she followed my instructions, so it's been only 2 days when she had this glue on her nails, and you will see what's happening. So her natural nail is already damaged, but at least she didn't have any greenies or anything like that. I just cut off this part, and now we need to remove the product that is still there, and since there is a split on the nail, I will do that with the carbide bit. Because when I'm working with that, I just know that I can only touch a certain places. But if you do not feel confident about it, you can use a hand file as well. You know, just with a hand file, I know that I will touch the whole surface of the nail, and I do not want to overfile it. It's already pretty damaged. And now I'm carefully filing off the glue residue, and currently I'm working at a very low speed. Now let's try the bead with the Polygel, because this product is not as soft as tips, and we're going to file this product off. And you probably noticed that this nail is pretty fresh. I think I did that about a week ago or something. So when the product is not that old, it's actually harder to take it off sometimes. That's why I switched to the speed, which is almost max, 30k RPMs, and it feels pretty good. I do not have any troubles filing it off. The handpiece is not too hot, so I still can keep on going. It doesn't vibrate too much. My overall impression of this nail drill currently is definitely 5 stars. I do not feel any discomfort when working with it, and I will be definitely using it in my work. But just so you know, guys, that any kind of portable drills, they are portable for a reason. So they're great if you're working at home, if you are a mobile nail tech, if you would like to take it with you while you travel. But if you're planning to do a very hard product removal, or let's say pedicures all day, like you have 8 to 10 clients per day for pedicure, then you definitely need to look for something more powerful. But other than that, if you would like to do, let's say, infills or product removal 3 to 4 clients a day, then yes, this will be enough. Meanwhile, I filed off the product, and now I'm going to push back the cuticles with the orange wood stick. And I would also like to try that for e-file manicure, because I do that a lot. I am using diamond flame bit with red abrasive mark, which is medium fine, to clean the cuticles, and currently the speed is 17,000 rotations per minute. And by the way, I get this question very often, like, Anastasia, what is the best bit for cuticles? What is the speed you're using at the moment? And I'm happy to share it all the time, but the thing is, you cannot really use the same speed or the same beat for all kinds of skin and cuticles. So if you would like to learn more about it, I have an online electric file manicure course. I will leave the link down below so you can learn more about it if you're interested.
Stay up till dawn. Maybe the way that I'm living is killing me. I like to see everything in neon. Drink lime green, stay up till dawn.
When I'm cleaning the cuticles on the left side, I usually use the forward mode, but as I switch to the opposite side, I switch it to reverse, and when I push back the cuticles, I also use the reverse mode. And if you would like to switch to another mode, do not forget to fully stop it, make sure it is not rotating, and then you can switch to forward or to the other one. And this is the nail I socked off. Actually, I just wanted to see how this tip sock off, and they sock off pretty well like any tips. These are Macart full-size tips, and like I said, I do not really like them, but I'm going to keep them and maybe even order more because they're actually perfect for the silicone hand, because their shape is exactly like a pre-coffin long, and I'm definitely going to use them for displaying nail art and all that stuff. I will leave the link down below as well, and the link to my another video with their review. And now I'm simply going to file this natural nails short, and we're going to do a new set of beautiful nails. And if you would like to see that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will not miss them. Thank you guys for watching. If you already tried this Kiara Sky Beyond Pro portable nail drill, let me know what do you think, and if you haven't yet, what is your current favorite portable nail drill? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.